guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be braiding my hair. It's been a while. I think it's been months since I did any other protective style apart from mini twists. I just love mini twists because they are so versatile and you can just moisturize your hair anytime. You can wash it. So today I'm going to be trying out some braids, some twist braids. I don't really know the name. Here they are. And I don't want to put a lot because it's so hot over here. So these are the only braids that I'm going to be putting on my hair. I'm going to be reusing them. So yeah, this is it. I don't even know their names, but this is the only amount that I'm going to be putting on my hair. They are 42 in total, so I don't want to have a lot of stuff on my hair. So let's just hope it will all turn out great. If you're new to my channel, kindly make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Make sure you click the notification bell so you don't miss any notification whenever I upload a new video. Also thumbs up this video, and ultimately do comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spritz my hair. My hair is so dense. I'm this type of person who doesn't really, I don't know how to work on my natural hair, so it's so hard for you to find me with my natural hair out. I'd rather put it in a protective style. As I said, I love mini twists, so this is just what I'm going to do. Then I'll take a little bit of my coconut oil, just a little bit because my hair is not so, my hair is kind of oily, so I'm just going to apply a little bit. So that's how I prep my hair. Then I'm just going to take these braids out. So I have everything taken out. Then I'm just going to use my comb, this African comb here. I'm just going to part my hair and section it into half. So this is what I have. It's not so neat, but it's still okay. I don't know if I've gotten it right, but that's it. Let me check. It's not so neat, but that will do. So I'll just tie these. Then for the back, I'll section it. I'll section the middle part because I tend to have a lot of like stunted growth at the crown of my head, so I'll part my hair in the middle. I don't know if you can see this right, but this part is sectioned, so I'll work on it separately. So I'll section the crown of my head separately and I'll work on it as one. There you go. Then I have two parts remaining. These two I'll work on them separately, so I'm just going to put them away too. And that's it. So I have this section over here, then I have my crown section, then I have this part and this part. So I'm going to start working on it as like this. So I'm going to begin from this side. I'm just going to I'll take large chunks of hair, then I'll make sure it's uniform. Then I'll just go and braid. I'll start with the three strand braids at the roots. And that's it. Then I'm going to part this hair and just twist. And this is the first one. This is it. So yeah, I'll just continue doing this all through. One thing that I do whenever I'm braiding my hair is that I don't make it so tight at the scalp or even at my hairline. I don't want my hairline receding, so I do braid my hair neatly but not so tight at the scalp. Let me know what you prefer in the comment section. So this is what I have at the moment. It's a slow process, but it's all good. And while I'm at it, I'm getting some motivation from this young lady. She has a business and I was just getting some tips or nuggets of wisdom from her. So I'm just continuing my hair doing these, and I hope you are enjoying these to this very end. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So this is just me showing you how my workspace looks. I have everything everywhere. The braids, as you can see, I have my sewing machine over there, and just everything is everywhere. So anyways, I hope you are enjoying the video to this point. Thank you so much for staying up to this point. Like the video already, and please do leave a sweet comment in the comment section. Let me also know your thoughts about how you install your braids. So this is me just having some lunch, taking a break, and all that nice stuff. It was just cabbage and ugali for lunch, and yeah, that's what I was doing before I continue my hair. All I can say is that installing these braids really took a long time. I really struggled installing them, but anyways, it was all for a good cause and everything turned out great in the end. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and this is how my hair looks after everything. So this is it, the final result. My hair looks so neat, and I'm just loving these because they're not a lot. They're so spaced, and being hot in this weather, they just serve their purpose, and I'm just in love with these. Let me know in the comment section too if you love them, and thank you for watching up to this point. Kindly make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and ring the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And do like this video, guys, and thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.